Hey Pioneers, my name's Maddie.
My name's Arlene.
And we're gonna be showing you how to use the hack squat. So before we get started, there's two important things we need to point out. So right here, there are two different starting positions, so you can adjust the height at which you start the hack squat. We also have our stopper down here. This will adjust the bottom position of the movement. Now we're gonna show you how to position yourself in the hack squat. So you're gonna start by resting your back against this back pad, putting your shoulders underneath the shoulder pads and resting your head on the head pad. Next, you're gonna place your feet on the platform, adjusting to where it feels most comfortable. Usually it's about shoulder width apart and in the middle of the platform. From here, we're gonna push up, holding the handlebars. As we move up, we're gonna bring those handlebars in towards our face. From here, we can perform the movement going down to our comfortable range of motion and back up again. To re-rack the hack squat, what you're going to do is simply move the handlebars away from your face, resting it on the safeties, whichever is most comfortable. For shorter people, it will be this lower one, and if you're taller, it might be this one up here. Just a reminder that the hack squat does have a starting weight of 125 pounds, just something to be mindful of when we're adding additional weight. Now we're going to show you how to safely fail on the hack squat. Just a reminder, before you start the movement, adjust the bottom safety to your desired range of motion. When you get to the bottom of the movement, if you no longer can push up, what you can do is simply rest it on the safety at the bottom and wiggle out. Once you're able to get out of the machine safely, you can then re-rack the weights and return the machine to starting position.
And remember, Pioneers re-rack their weights.